welcome to our very first live stream here on Facebook, to our very first VD Hour session or live session here on Facebook. I am Joanne and I will be your host. 100% work from home, full-time positions here at Vertidesk. May training po kung saan may enhance ang ating skills and knowledge to provide good service and quality service to our clients, vacation and sick leave, your health benefit, and lastly, the yearly pay increase. Vertidesk is a company established in 2016 and we have been helping Filipinos and Filipinas na magkaroon ng or mag-enjoy ng work from home and a happy work-life balance dito sa Vertidesk. Alright? And also guys, our goal is to provide online virtual assistant jobs to everyone who are currently looking for a job or for a great opportunity to start their work from home career. Okay? What are the benefits here at Vertidesk? And I am so in love with the benefits of Vertidesk. First is we have a full-time position. We have GVA or General Virtual Assistant. Starting rate natin is $3 per hour. For General Virtual Assistant, who will be trained for 7 days, magsa-start ang ating allowance at $70. We have ISA or Inside Sales Associate starting at $4 per hour. Magti-train din for 7 days, you'll be receiving $80 as your allowance. And also, EVA or Executive Virtual Assistant starting at $5 per hour. Makaka-receive naman kayo ng $90 for the whole 10 days training. Those are the positions available. Another benefit po ni Vertidesk, and bakit po ba si Vertidesk, guys? Providing vacation and sick leaves, okay? And also, guys, after 6 months here on Vertidesk, we'll also be receiving health benefit, which I personally love dahil I'm sure with everyone na pinagdaanan natin during the pandemic, you guys can relate. Napaka-importante na magkaroon tayo ng company or to be included in a company that also takes care of us. Okay? Sobrang love ko yan. Another benefit po, nibigay ni Vertidesk, magkaroon ng increase every year. So, ayun, habang tumatagal ka with Vertidesk, mas humahati ang life. Thank you for sending hearts, everyone. Thank you. From Pangasinan. Wow! From Pangasinan watching us right now. From Quezon, hello. From Dasma. Ayan. From Makati. Alright. From Capiz. From Bohol. From Manila. From Zamboanga. From Bacolod. Wow. From Cebu. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Grabe. We're watched nationwide. And of course, we would like to, ngayon pa lang, thank you na sa pagsama or panonood sa amin right now on our very first ever VD Hour or Vertidesk live sessions here on Facebook. Maraming salamat. Also to everyone engaging, thank you so much for sending hearts and for sharing this on your social media account. I think that's about it for tonight. Thank you again and samahan niyo po ulit kami sa ating next live session on May 27, 2022, 8 o'clock p.m. Manila time. This has been Joanne, your VD host. Join the best, be the best, and see you again soon and have a great night. Maraming salamat!